Do I felt that? Of an investment. I feel so proud of myself. I could finally afford it. Baby, heavy? No, man, you're so to the car. Don't be slowing down. Welcome back, guys, to my channel. My name is Shanae for you all that are new, and today is very exciting because I have finally purchased my dream ring light, which is an 18-inch LED standing ring light, and I can't wait to show y'all. And unboxing it with me will be my hubby. Say hi, love.
Hi.
And this is the ring light, so let's go. So in the box, let's see what we have. Oh my god, it comes in a nice case. Oh my god, so cute. And I have the legs.
We are sending that.
Okay. Want scissors? Yeah. So I purchased this LED light from Paris Petit in Sheraton, and it was $250 Belgian, but it is an investment because now I will be able to properly do my YouTube videos, and I will be using it for work as I am a nail tech. So I'm very excited, and I know it's money well spent. Ooh, it's so long, and oh my gosh, I love it. Love it. And it comes in a nice case as well. Right, so as my husband is there assembling it, I will just, yeah. So this is my studio, my recent, how it looks right now. I haven't updated y'all in a while, but I will be doing a video shortly, especially now since I have my ring light, with my must-have as well as some other content, and I really hope y'all enjoy it. As I always tell y'all, comment, message me, let me know what y'all want to see. Like, I'm making content for you. Okay, that'll look pretty easy. Okay, so this is how tall it is. Like, this is amazing. I am in love. Like, that's like 6 feet. Yeah, about. This is amazing. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Like, y'all don't even know how proud of myself I am, because this is a major achievement. Pardon? Oh, that's good. That's a lot. Like that. That's beyond a lot. So that's perfect.
Next step. You want your feet son?
Okay, so next step. I mean longer. I guess it goes there.
You want so or you want Sprite?
I don't know that. I guess it could go flat. I think no, that's all it could go.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Oh, you okay.
Oh, to make it even taller. I like it how it was before.
Yeah.
If anything, I will adjust it, but it's pretty good there. That case so beautiful, like oh my gosh. At least it wasn't just in the box like that. It has a protective case, so it's definitely a good buy. Okay, so let's see what is inside of the case. Apart from the light. Wait, hold on a minute, love. I put in all the lights. Ow! Sorry. Right, so. Oh, I gotta try and get that out. What do you mean? Okay. And this is the light, the ring light. This is huge. And that's all the information at the back. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I can't wait. I cannot. Oh my gosh. But yeah, guys, so it's definitely an investment. If you are in the beauty industry, it's definitely a must. Like, that's why I wanted it for so long. Like, I'm a lighting freak. Like, I have this light. I have this light that my auntie gave me when I first started nails. I recently purchased this one, which is a lamp, and I love it. But I always want more. Like, you can never have enough lighting, because sometimes natural light isn't. It's natural, so it may have like it may be too dim, too dark, or anything like that. So this light is practically perfect. And my friend Erica, when you go into Paris, if you're in Barbados and you go to purchase it, to ask for Erica. She's my friend, and she showed me how they just like lighting and what's not in the store. So I was amazed. Like, I'm so happy. I was like, yes, this is perfect. So definitely, I didn't even think it could go this high. Like, I'm really amazed at that. So it'd be perfect like to put over my desk when I'm working, and also for my videos. Like, y'all are not about to get like content after content after content after content. Like, I am so happy. So happy. My hair is actually, that's what my husband said get back, but yeah, I'm gonna finish assemble it. Okay, so now my husband about to assemble it. Hi, kitty. Say hi, Kit Kit. Okay, so we're looking for the instructions to make sure we assemble it correctly. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Okay, guys, so we got it assembled. And this is the warm. It looks so cool. And it goes really, really bright as well. Wow. This is amazing. This is well worth $250 Beijing. I love it, love it, love it. So now we're gonna assemble the yeah, so and it also, I didn't even realize, but it comes with a remote. Like, how cool is that? Pardon? And this here, oh, this is the, yeah, okay, guys, so I got it. It's real. It's straight. It's gonna feel straight. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. I just want to make sure it's completely secure. Okay, guys, so we got it adjusted, and now my hubby is putting the phone, what do you call that? The holder for the phone. I only can put in one because I only have one phone that I will use for this. Right, and it's adjustable. So when he's finished setting this up, I will put my phone in it and show you guys exactly how it looks. Oh, my husband will put it. Use his phone. Push it tight, adjust it, you can bring it down. Right, I put it on and you can see. Wow. And this is, I put on your phone there. And put on your camera and let me see. Hmm?
Right, but if you got it that but then you like
Oh. The camera. Front, my front one. Wow. You guys can't even see it, but because it's so bright, like, yeah. So this is how bright it is. This is amazing. This is totally worth $250. Alright, so now I think I'll end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all will be seeing way more videos from me now, but now I have my ring light. And yeah, I'm so proud of myself. And just comment down below what y'all guys would like to see more now, and I'll definitely do it. Look out for some nail videos coming very soon. And yeah, love you guys. See you. Bye.